Hello everyone, this is your corporate girl, and today we're going to continue our discussion on the ATS-friendly resume. An application tracking system can be a real barrier when pursuing a position. Even if you're qualified, if your resume is not read correctly by the ATS, you won't be considered unless you can reach the hiring manager directly. It's like your resume is being sent into a black hole if you do not learn how to make your resume ATS friendly. You should note that if you're learning how to make your resume ATS friendly, you should also invest the other 50% of your time making real-life in-person connections. In other words, you need to take time to build your real-life network. ATS resume templates provides improved chances of your resume being seen by employers. They are optimized through appropriate decisions with layout, design, and keywords for ranking high in ATS. This is how to build your own ATS-friendly resume. One, understand the application tracking system. The first and most important step is to research and fully understand what the application tracking systems are and how they work. While they often make the application process easier by selecting important information from your resume, they are also used in finding the best candidates for employers. This cuts a significant amount of time from their day, as they only have the best resumes in front of them. 2. Use appropriate keyword optimization. During the scanning process, ATS searches for specific keywords set by the employer. Resumes without these keywords are often tossed away. One of the best ways to determine what keywords can be used is to read the job description provided in the listing. Look for role-specific terms that have been repeated in the job description. The more prevalent a specific keyword is, the more important you should place it in your own resume. Place these keywords throughout as necessary, but avoid overstuffing your resume with them. Number 3, choose proper keywords. Once you have a full understanding of these systems, proper keyword usage becomes clear. These systems scan documents looking for assigned keywords and tossing those with the least amount. Use plenty of the industry and role-specific terminologies and read the actual job posting for additional terms. Without overstuffing, have the appropriate keywords in your resume. The last thing is to use a simple layout or design. Depending on the industry, some employers prefer resumes that have character and personality. It shows them a bit more about each candidate. Some resumes and resumes templates include drastic designs that make for irregular layouts. ATS cannot read heavily designed layouts. If it attempts to, chances are high that it chooses the wrong information for employers or downgrades the resume altogether, potentially removing it. This is where we end today's session. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, my name is Selina Boabing, and I'll see you in my next video.